You probably already know that a checking account is an essential part of your financial toolkit. For most of us, it's also one of our very first financial products, whether our parents open an account for us when we're kids or we open one for ourselves when we become adults. A lot of us end up sticking with the same checking account for years, simply because it's a hassle to switch. But you may find that there are accounts out there that offer way better benefits than what you've been getting. It's worth exploring the ways that you could be getting more from your checking. Here are 4 things that you should look for in your next checking account. First, you should avoid paying any monthly fees or minimum balance fees. A monthly fee might not seem like very much at first, but these fees can add up over time. We recommend avoiding them from the get-go by opening a free checking account instead. Second, you should look for an account that has good overdraft coverage. We recently did some research into the cost of an average overdraft fee, and we found that among the banks and credit unions that charge these fees, the average overdraft fee was $27. If you're getting charged $20 to $30 for every overdraft, you could end up paying a lot in fees over time. If you want to avoid overdraft fees altogether, there are several different options here. Some banks offer free overdraft protection transfers from a linked savings account. Some give you a grace period, where you have a day or two after an overdraft to add money to your account before the bank charges you a fee. Some banks let you overdraft $50, $100, or even $250 without charging a fee. Check out NerdWallet's roundup of the best banks to avoid overdraft fees to learn about the flexible policies that many banks and credit unions offer. Third, you should look for a bank or credit union that has a big free ATM network or offers ATM fee reimbursements. Some banks actually offer both a broad network and ATM fee reimbursements, which is a pretty rare perk. Basically, if you want to be able to get cash when you need it, some banks are going to make it easier and less expensive than others. Finally, and fourthly, you should try to get a bit of interest or cash back if you can. Checking accounts don't usually have very high interest rates, but some do. If you keep a lot of money in your checking account, or if you do a lot of spending on your debit card, then you should look for an account that has a high interest rate and a good cashback rewards program. There are also some additional benefits that might be nice to have and that you should look into, like early direct deposit for your paychecks or a sign-up bonus when you open a new checking account. But when you're shopping for a checking account, you should do your research to make sure it's an account that suits your needs, and that's going to look different for everyone. If you want to learn more about a particular checking account, take a look at our reviews on nerdwallet.com and see side-by-side comparisons of accounts on our checking account roundups.